Hi, I'm Ani. Today we're making delicious turkey breakfast patties and homemade biscuits. Let's get started. In a bowl, add about 450 grams of ground turkey. Add 1/2 teaspoon celery salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon organic maple syrup, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 small bouillon cube, 1 teaspoon oil. Combine all the ingredients thoroughly, ensuring that they are evenly distributed and fully incorporated into a smooth, cohesive mixture. Shape the mixture carefully into small, evenly sized patties, aiming to make about 12 in total. Once shaped, press each patty down gently but firmly to flatten them slightly, which will help them cook more evenly and reduce the overall cooking time. Place the patties on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake in a preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Allow them to cook thoroughly, ensuring they are golden brown on the outside and fully cooked through on the inside, which typically takes around 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. Place 250 grams of butter in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. In a large bowl, add 4 cups of self-raising flour. Grate the frozen butter or cut it into small pieces, then add it to the flour. Mix everything together gently. Add 2½ cups of milk or buttermilk to the mixture. If the dough is too hard, add more milk. If it's too wet, add more flour. Mix gently, don't overmix. On a clean and smooth surface, sprinkle a generous amount of all-purpose flour to prevent the dough from sticking. Gently place your prepared dough onto the floured surface and begin to work it by folding and pressing it a few times, as demonstrated, to achieve the right consistency. Once the dough is ready, use a rolling pin or your hands to flatten it evenly to your desired thickness. Finally, use a round cutter or the rim of a glass to cut out neat, uniform circles, ensuring you make the most of your dough by re-rolling any scraps. Transfer the prepared dough rounds onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, ensuring they are spaced evenly apart to allow room for rising. Place the tray in a preheated oven set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, keeping a close eye as they cook. Remove them from the oven once they have risen beautifully and turned a warm golden brown color, indicating they are fully baked and ready to enjoy. Enjoy your flavorful turkey patties and fluffy biscuits. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out. See you in the next one.